Alright, so we're off to Florida to stay with LZ for a few days, and I'm so excited. I'm so tired. Flight got delayed like an hour, which is such a pain in the ass, but we're about to board, and hopefully they'll make it there because we're taking Spirit.
Oh man, let me see that.
Alright guys, we are finally in Orlando. Man, I hate flying Spirit. That was like the longest flight ever, but we're good, we're ready, and now I'm just curious at what car Adam's gonna be picking me up in, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna guess the JZX. What do you guys think? If it's the Porsche, I might cry. I really hope it's the Porsche, but knowing Adam, he's a sick bastard, he'd probably come grab me in the S15. Yeah? I see you. Okay, bye. Oh my God. I'm getting picked up in style today. Dude, this is unreal. Look at this Uber, dude. Oh my God. This thing looks 10 times crazier in person. Oh boy. I don't want to touch anything.
It's literally going to be the gnarliest stock seat you've ever sat in.
Unreal. I don't feel worthy being in this car. Okay. This thing's amazing, dude. How do I do this? There we go.
German club.
It's so beautiful. All right, guys, so we're at Adam's shop right now. We've actually been here for quite a few hours. We kind of jumped right into it and started stancing his JZX 100. And Adam doesn't do stance. He's just never been a stance kid. He's all about grip and functionality. And honestly, I don't know exactly what we have planned for this trip in terms of like my content, just because, I mean, this is all Adam's stuff. So this is all, you know, this is his stuff. This is his footage. And I'm honestly here just to hang out with my friend and have a good time. So we'll see what we film. I don't know, is there any stuff you guys would like to see me do down here with LZ and with the facility? I don't know, let me know, because I'm used to just kind of filming build content. So you guys let me know, but.
Dude, camber things. Hype or what?
Dude, I'm so gassed. It looks amazing.
So gassed?
Gassed.
Is that a new word? I'm always like out of date with these things.
Yeah, you're pretty bad at it.
I get so uncomfortable when Jimmy films me because he has a wide angle lens, so I'm not used to a camera being that close to my face, because if it were G7X, it would be like.
Right here.
My face would be like this.
Been in Orlando for like 6 hours now, and I'm happy I'm spending it lowering Adam's JZX 100. We're gonna slam this piggy. I want this thing dragging. Alright guys, so we ended up playing with Adam's JZX all day, and it was a fun ass time. If you guys want to see as much of that, I mean, you probably already watched the video, but this is just transitioning into the first real video, which is gonna start tomorrow, I guess, right?
Comment below, guys. I told Jimmy he can drive whatever cars he wants. Like, even if he wants to whip around the S15, so long as it's like tuned and like works right. Like, comment below.
Terrifying.
But the thing is, you won't be able to make a good like vlog video driving because you won't hear anything. So it's kind of junk. But like, if you guys want Jimmy to drive anything, if you want Jimmy to talk about anything, my world is Jimmy.
That is amazing. That is the greatest thing I've ever heard.
You know this, it's just the viewers don't know this.
Oh my God, that's amazing. Well, today's been awesome, and hopefully we'll have some good content for you guys tomorrow, which, I mean, it's this video, so. I feel like I'm editing a video, but I'm not. We're transitioning, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. All right, guys, so we've been playing with the JZX once again today, and it's been a tedious day, but I think we're gonna finally do something a little crazy. You wanna tell him?
I told Jimmy he should drive that S15 around. He's like, I've never driven a dog box, so here's a sequential.
So Adam's actually gonna let me drive the S15. I usually don't care for just driving random cars and vlogging about it and all this, but I think this is kind of a huge deal. This is literally a race car, like in all forms and every definition. This is a race car. If you guys don't know this car, somehow it's a Adam's Pro-Am car. It has a 3.4 liter 2J. What was that?
I think I'm using Pro-Am. It's more just like my exquisite Starbucks car at the moment.
Okay, yeah. So it's his daily driver actually at the moment, and it has a 3.4 liter 2J in it. It makes about 900 horsepower currently, and it has tomorrow it's gonna be 1,000, and it's sequential dog box. It's just ridiculous. Just go take it for a drive. I don't even know what to say. I'm too excited. Here we go. And it's right-hand drive. All right, here we go.
Is your mic gonna max out?
Yeah, it might actually.
Can you adjust that? Is there a way to adjust that, or is it auto?
I think it's auto. Yeah. How do I do this? There we go. All right. What's the sequence?
I'll tell you off camera because we got a secret kill switch that I don't want people to know about.
Okay. Squeeze lever.
Ride the clutch more. Yeah.
So I got
It's the
welded
Y
diff.
tab kind of stalls it with
That
the
makes
welded.
sense. Yeah. Okay. Just push one again.
Yeah. Make sure foot's on the clutch.
I can start it in gear.
Yeah.
Okay.
One is neutral.
Oh yeah.
And one more is first. Yep. Manual brakes.
Oh yeah, manual brakes.
So let's go this way and we'll just do a loop.
Okay. It's so loud. It's like easier to drive than I thought it would be,
Yeah.
but like it makes you want.
Sorry.
Yeah, it makes you want to go too fast.
That's all you have to try. I know they go to the light, but this will work.
That's so crazy.
Yeah.
Dude, it wants you to just.
Yeah, so on the
Go.
next one, just bring it up to limiter in second and third.
Okay.
Because you didn't even hit boost.
I know. They just went to. Yeah.
He's the first person that I've let do that in my car. I was only nervous because of the transmission. It's very easy to mess up, but I told him to pull it with no fear.
That was amazing. That was unfucking real.
All right, Jimmy.
Dude, I'm like shit.
I was a little nervous.
Yeah?
Not that I didn't trust you, but I messed up the Samsonas, and I'm nervous because now it's kind of like a crucial period for me to be able to be driving the car.
Yeah.
So I'm like, Jimmy, please be nice.
I was doing good,
No,
right?
you did great.
I did better than I thought I would. Dude, this thing is fast, but like the chassis is so dialed that at no point was I scared though. Like you know what I mean? Like the car never did anything that I wasn't expecting it to do besides go fast.
You know what that's called, Jimmy?
What was that?
It's called grip.
It's called grip. Yeah, grip's a hell of a thing, isn't
Jimmy's
it?
teaching me how to do stands. I'm trying to teach him how to grip up his cars.
But I mean, not even like the grip, but like the way the suspension is and everything. It's just so like. I mean, that was not the flattest road in the world, and still like jumping around doing.
Those tires had 10 psi in them.
That was probably the coolest thing I've done all year.
Yeah?
Thank you so much for this. This was amazing. I'm gonna sit in the seat for like the next hour and like mentally detox myself. Oh my god, dude, that is so cool. One day I'll build a race car like this. Until then. This is me shaking.
Dude, it's gnarly. I still shake when I like get on it.
That was amazing. That was probably pretty scary as a passenger, huh?
Not per se. I think if you were like driving like an idiot and there was like traffic around, it terrified me just because the manual brakes kind of get you.
Yeah, it'll catch you off guard, but.
If you've never driven a car with manual brakes, like imagine to stop your car, you have to like step on the gas pedal, or sorry, the brake pedal, like that.
Is that the technique? Just like that? But
And you gotta press on it hard, dude.
You do.
So tomorrow, I don't know if you've said this, tomorrow we're taking the car to the dyno and we're finally going to run the nitrous.
Yeah, show them the goodies.
Yeah, so
God.
everything's literally all set up for the nitrous already. But we've just been waiting for bigger injectors, which came in today. So
Awesome.
crank her up. It might actually make more power not on nitrous too. But
Dyno day tomorrow. I'm so excited. You guys know I love the dyno days.
yeah, I'm hoping that like with the nitrous we're able to get like an extra 1,000 RPM of power band. Because the car's like really hard to drive because it's so peaky right now.
Yeah, it wants to just take off. It, like the first time I pulled on the first time I pulled on the road, I was like, "Yo, chill." I was like, I didn't even realize it just did like a 0 to 60 in like 2-second roll.
It feels like pretty decent, but
Yeah.
but like from that point to then when you actually hit full boost is so aggressive that I think with the combination of nitrous and like boost by gear, I can get it to be faster, like you know what I mean, off the line
I know
than
what
it
you
is
mean,
right
yeah.
now, and just blowing the tires like.
God, it's so everything about this car is just so beautiful. All right, well, I still can't believe Adam let me drive that damn thing. That was what an experience. I was literally shaking out of excitement for so long, but we're gonna head back to his house, ride his ramp for a little bit, and go out. So this time I'm gonna claim the Mustang. We're gonna go have fun in this thing. Well, Adam says the only way to drive this car is to take the red line, so we'll see what happens. The brakes work way too well on this thing.
I forgot to tell you, don't floor it like under $3,000. It has a driver protection thing, so it won't. You gotta like really just drive that car like from like $5,000 to $8,200, or else it feels like dog shit. Perfect.
All right, since we're in a Mustang, I feel like I really need to wait until I find like a big crowd of people and then like really test this baby out, put her in its environment and see what it does. Oh my God. It just keeps going. I'm so used to all the turbo cars, you have to like just keep shifting and keep going up. With this, you just floor it and wait. What freaks me out is how fast the car stops, not how fast the car goes. I don't know how much you guys enjoy just watching me sit in a car and talk, but man, it's just so fun to just go in all these cars and whip them around. So, just beat Adam LZ in a race. I'm not gonna brag, but it wasn't in his car, but what? What are you talking about? Yep. Okay. Guys, we're back at the house. It's late. We're both tired, and yeah, we got a big day tomorrow.
Outro, you kept saying Jimmy had been talking to everyone all night at the restaurant, telling us how he was gonna make this outro, flexing on everyone about how much he hates his audience and doesn't care and doesn't beat them. And then now he pulls out the camera. He's this nice guy again.
Biggest troll in the world. Get at it. I'm going into the. I'm gonna go. All right. Well, we're gonna go in here and yep. So yeah, today's was insane driving us 50.
You can't hide from your comments.
We're gonna go in here now. So
Here and there, but you can't look at yourself and live with it.
we're gonna go in here. All right, guys. So we're just gonna end it. So tomorrow we're having a dyno day with Adam's car. It's gonna be sick, and I don't know what we're gonna film. We'll find out though. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and have a great night.